Kundalini awakening with Kundalini psychosis, schizophrenia. Life becomes hell for you, and this is what you are experiencing till now. You feel different kinds of hallucination, you feel paranoia, you feel narcissist towards everything and everyone. Now this video is an awareness video about you being suffering from schizophrenia, which has also symptoms of bipolar, which has also symptoms of multiple sclerosis, where your nervous system and brain doesn't work. You need to know one thing, that your Kundalini has gone into Ida and Pingla Nadi. Instead of flowing into Sushumna, it has gone into Ida and Pingla Nadi, and that is why you are getting the problems connected to your nervous system issues. This means that in the physical body, your nervous system is in the extreme of parasympathetic breathing or sympathetic breathing. In more detailed way, your autonomous nervous system is damaged, your central nervous system is damaged. Your autonomous nervous system governs all the autonomic function in the body, the involuntary functions in the body, and your central nervous system, that is your brain and spinal cord, that controls the voluntary functions of the body and also most of the vital functions of your body, including sleep, including digestion, your breathing, your heart rate, your respiratory system. All the major systems in your body are governed by your central nervous system, that is your brain and spinal cord. Now Sushumna Nadi is in the subtle body, which is in a way in parallel with the spinal cord. So instead of going into the detail of understanding your case, I need to tell you some of the symptoms which I face from most of the patients that I treat, and they are diagnosed with schizophrenia happening due to Kundalini psychosis. For example, you feel lot of lower energies of distrust, lower energies of lust, you feel too much sexual, and due to that you get engaged in too much of sexual activities. Maybe you have slept with multiple partners, or you have slept with a few partners, but your sexual intercourse has not happened in a proper way. You have never enjoyed sex, and that is why that stuck energy remains in your blockages in the energy channels, that creates blockages in the energy channels, that create blockages in your energy centers of the body. Now you will have different kinds of always stress, anxiety, bipolar symptoms of having split personality. Split personality means at times you are behaving like a normal person, and at other times you behave like you have multiple personalities in you. You imitate whatever you watch, whatever you come across, whatever you see in your life. For example, if you meet certain people, you will imitate the behavior of these people. If you read something, then your subconscious brain, your subconscious mind actually imitates the characters that you read, or you watch movies, and you create a personality out of it. Your nervous system goes into a permanent imitation where you keep on learning behaviors which other people display. For example, if you watch a movie in which someone is being appreciated for doing a certain kind of feat, an achievement, then you will learn that behavior and you will expect the same kind of response from the people around you, and you develop the characteristics of people pleasing behavior. Now people pleasing behavior is an imitation of that behavior which you have watched in the movie. So when I come across the cases, the patients, they show different kinds of weird behavior. For example, they will not trust me. That is the distrust. They feel that someone is not someone, some paranormal entities are hurting them. They are always in the head. They are overthinking. So the symptoms of obsessive compulsive disorder, over cleanliness, and also obsessive thoughts they go through. They will always have some doubts about everything. They live in a parallel world. They don't live the reality of the world, and they feel that there is a different kind of reality. They will read all about aliens. They will read all about different kinds of knowledge they gain. They read a lot and they try to fit in to different kinds of situation. They will always be hiding. They lie a lot, and that is why their throat chakra is blocked. They're always, the throat chakra or the energy center in the throat is always blocked, and they don't speak the truth. So I will highlight a few more symptoms that these people show, and if you are having these symptoms due to Kundalini, then I am there to help you. I am there to guide you. I am there to transform you. I am the only person in the world who work on brain and nervous system connected with Kundalini, psychosis, and only I have the solution to heal you permanently. But that takes a different kind of environment, because you have to change the environment and the response of the nervous system. I work on changing your neuroplasticity. I work on changing your nervous system conditioning. It is like, first I will make your nervous system go into a state of a reset system. Reset means that I will wipe off I will help you with the techniques, with the power, with the energy work that I do, with the energetic mastery method, to remove all the wrong conditioning from your nervous system. And that takes at least or minimum of 3 months or 100 days period to work on you. First is the removal of all the garbage that you have collected, to change the neuroplasticity by activating your vagus nerve, by activating your Sushumna Nadi, the central nervous system, the central energy channel. I am going to make your Kundalini flow towards the Sushumna. Instead of flowing into Ida and Pingla, your Kundalini will flow into Sushumna Nadi. And when this happens, you will get an integration of your physical body and the energy body. Otherwise, what is happening to you? You are facing the symptoms of derealization and depersonalization. The schizophrenic patients suffer from a disillusional stage where they don't feel they are in the body. They always feel they are operating outside the body, or they are somewhere outside in the external dimension. They don't have any connection to the physical body. Similarly, they will have all the symptoms of lower energies. For example, insecurity about life as a whole. They don't feel secured about life. They feel that life is like a torture. They will not trust their family members, their friends, their colleagues, or anyone, the world as a whole. They always feel that someone is there to attack them, hurt them, and they always are in freeze mode. They have extreme level of trauma connected with childhood trauma of any kind of bullying, any kind of body shaming, or any kind of tragic event that has happened in the past. They have never healed themselves. They have never been able to heal themselves. Also, they cannot surrender. They cannot surrender means they cannot relax. For example, in order to activate your vagus nerve and everything connected to it, you have to relax. You have to completely relax to the extent that you need to drop your body. You need to surrender to the process, but that you cannot do. Most of the time you are always having this kind of autistic kind of body language because you have never changed the response. You have always responded, your nervous system has always responded to the external events in threat mode. Now I work on your instinctive brain, I work on your limbic brain, I work on your prefrontal cortex. This means that I am going to change the response of the nervous system from freeze mode to parasympathetic mode. This means it will go into rest and digest mode. Also, the limbic brain, the emotional brain. You have never trusted anyone and you have never tasted love. You don't feel what love is. You don't feel love towards yourself. You are never knowing what the feeling of love is. You don't know how to be loved or how to share love. So your heart center is also blocked. Since your heart center is blocked, your chest is not in a open posture. You are always in anxiety because you breathe from the chest, not from the belly. So there are so many aspects of your problem that it can't be treated by anyone in the world other than me. If you work with me by trusting me and by working on your symptoms, you give yourself the opportunity to heal, and you are knowing that it is possible to get healed. You are being abandoned by everyone in the world. Nobody is there to work on you. Nobody cares about you. Nobody even have the time, energy and investment to invest in you. It is you, your life. You have to take the responsibility to invest in yourself. And most of the cases that I go through, that I get, they are complaining about Kundalini being in the head all the time, and they are unable to ground Kundalini. It is not possible to ground Kundalini on your own because Kundalini is a highly electrified, universal cosmic electricity that is flowing in your nervous system, and your nervous system is not yet prepared. You need to know that your nervous system has to be extremely strong to process Kundalini. And in your given condition where you have insomnia, where you have fibromyalgia symptoms, where you have chronic fatigue syndrome, all these are leading to a damaged body and nervous system through which there are so many knots in your energy centers, in your nervous system, that Kundalini is finding it difficult to process. So having said all of this, some of you may be having some symptoms of schizophrenia, some of you may be having extreme level of schizophrenia. But schizophrenia is a condition which is connected to Kundalini psychosis, and Kundalini psychosis is not dependent on what you are doing in this life. Kundalini psychosis is a condition which happens when your nervous system is not prepared, and Kundalini, instead of going through the Sushumna, it goes through the Ira and Pingla, and then it damages your nervous system. For that you need extreme level of oxygenation in your brain. You need extreme level of nervous system recharge, nervous system rejuvenation. That cannot happen if you do not get proper sleep. You have to sleep well. You have to be extremely healthy to process Kundalini. If you get continuous 1 year of complete good sleep, then only this problem will be solved. But if you work on your own, it is not possible. You have to work with someone powerful like me who can transform you from your condition. You are a patient, you need to know that. You are an ICU patient and you need oxygen cylinders to save yourself. You don't know how to treat yourself. Nobody knows how to treat yourself. Having said all the detailed explanation of your condition, there are many more layers that I don't want to discuss now because you will become more fearful about your condition and it will become worse until and unless you are connected to me. That is why we have created the Instinctive Life Project for 1 year, through which you can do physical projects with us, get healed, get transformed, where we are going to work on your brain, nervous system. We are going to teach you neuroplasticity, and that you can practice at your home by regularly taking the mentorship. The master is here. I am here to teach you. I am here to guide you. I have so many techniques in the energetic mastery method that I can transform you. But you cannot do on your own, and this is based on the conditions that I have got from all my patients till now. You are not disciplined. You are not loving yourself. You cannot commit to your life. Another symptom is of committing suicide. In such condition, when your brain and nervous system doesn't work, you have memory loss issues, you don't remember things, you don't remember even to eat, sleep or do anything. All the time you are hallucinated, and you keep on wasting your resources, your attention on researching about who can help you in the world. You ask ChatGPT or artificial intelligence about how you can get help. One such case I got, she was so much flooded. She was from Philippines, and she has actually put so much information into her brain through feeding herself with artificial intelligence, telling her what to do and what not to do. And at one point, she was misguided. How can an artificial intelligence diagnose your case? Even that intelligence is not in you, because your brain is not working. There is no consciousness left in you. All the protective layer of your electromagnetic field has been weakened. The protective layer of your cell wall, that is the cells in your body, are overexposed to sensitivity. You have too much of sensitivity. You have too much of extra sensitivity to light, sound, sight of anything, oversensitivity to touch. And there has been a different kind of paranoia in you, through which you fight with people. Nobody helps you, because the moment someone starts helping you, you start fighting with that person. You start fighting with that person, and then nobody has the interest left to help you. Even your parents cannot help. In one of the case of schizophrenia patient that I was treating, her father had heart attack due to her condition, because she was not taking help from her parents, even if they wanted to help her. So what happens? Everything has a limit. In another case, it's horrible case, because you are actually addicted also. Not only you are schizophrenic, you are addicted. You are addicted to porn, masturbation. You are addicted to sex. Your lust energy you cannot control. Either you are female or female. You have too much of addictions to substance abuse also. You smoke. You smoke all kinds of smoking available. Drugs, cocaine, then weed, tobacco, chewing, and so many new kinds of addictions. Everything that is addiction, you first grab that. Then another major problem, you waste lot of money. You have wasted so much of money. One of the schizophrenic patient from Germany, he started gambling. Gambling means lottery ticket. He bought a lottery ticket. Come on, what kind of idiotic decision it could be? He bought lottery ticket in the hope that it will become double. Now, an educated person who has lost his mind is buying lottery ticket to change his life. Isn't that stupidity of the highest order? So what I understood from this lottery ticket and addiction, you get so much overwhelmed all the time. Either you're crying too much, either you're laughing too much, and everything is acting. One of the patient, she used to laugh without getting laughter. She used to smile just to show off, to click pictures with the parents and family members. When I asked her, when did you smile, the natural smile or the natural laughter? She told that she hasn't for many years. She was in a hospital and then some paranormal entities entered her, and after that she has stopped laughing. But she did not seek help from an expert. She always delayed the process, and she is a doctor, by the way, by profession. A doctor is having such kind of symptoms. A doctor by profession. One of the doctors slept with 10 men back to back, back to back, back to back. Externally, that doctor is a plastic surgeon, but internally the life is hell. Instead of working on your brain and nervous system, you're wasting your life, you're wasting your money, you're wasting your time. You're not understanding what could be your condition. Another case, when she was 40 years of age, her both parents died in an accident, and after that she went into deep depression and she never recovered after that. 20 years she committed suicide because she could not heal herself in 20 years. Around the age of 60 she committed suicide. She was alone, she was lonely, she was abandoned, and she never took the help of people. She was paranoid. She used to be narcissist. What more could I share? There are so many cases that I treat and heal, and in some cases it's almost impossible to heal, and they come at the last stage. In that case, there is nothing much which I can do because they don't work on themselves. Why I am creating this awareness video? So that you, if it is in any stage, you should know that what it is going to lead you. I am not making you fearful. It is the truth. If you don't take care of yourself, nobody after a certain time will help you. Not a single doctor, psychiatrist will be able to help you in your condition, and they are neither able to help you right now also. So you need to understand that if you want to get healed, you have to focus on your life. You have to focus on your attention, where your attention is going. And by teaching the techniques, nothing will work on you. You have to know that if you want to really work on yourself, you have to do it with someone who is powerful and who is leading you. In one case, I have to do many kinds of cathartic actions on her to release the energy. The energetic knots that remains trapped in your nervous system damages your nervous system. It is not allowing you to live life. It is not allowing you to feel safe. All the time, certain kind of doubt. You are just hiding out. Who is there? Who is talking to me? Someone, I am listening to many music, many sound coming in my head. There are so many symptoms. So if you want to get free from all of these symptoms, I work on your brain and nervous system. Only I have the techniques to generate stem cells in you without any medication. You don't need any medication. You don't need to do any meditations. Only with the energetic mastery method that I teach you, and it has to be done in my presence. My presence has power. In my presence, if you do it, you will be healed. Without my presence, nothing is possible. You need to know that if you follow what I say, you will definitely get a good night's sleep, where you will be able to feel this peace with yourself. You have lost your money, you have lost your relationship, you have lost your health, you have lost your wealth, you have lost everything in life. There is no choice left to you. There is only one action to be done by you, that is to surrender, to seek for real time healing and transformation by asking for your transformation for life. That is why the Instinctive Life Project, that is for 1 year, if you do it regularly, all the other details you will get to know when you contact my team. We work on case-to-case basis based on your intensity of suffering and pain. We will work on you. Rest all the information you will get once you take my first consultation. Let me diagnose you. What is the extent of your problem? You need to know that I have seen before my eyes many people unable to take the help of experts dying by committing suicide, and that should not happen to you. You have the tendency to commit suicide because there is nothing left in this body. Since you have so much abused your body through addictions, through wrong decisions, through releasing all your valuable life force, through masturbation, porn, and everything that you have done so far, and not getting sleep, your body is unable to rest. Your brain is unable to go from extreme level of beta state to the gamma state, to the delta, alpha, delta, theta and gamma state, where healing actually happens. You deserve a good life, but with your arrogance, you won't be able to do anything. You need to know that life will teach you its own lesson in the coming time. But reminder like this, you will never get from anyone else. You have to start feeling life. You have stopped feeling life. You have started only living in the mind. You are in the head and you need to come to your heart. You need to feel your body. You have to feel what kind of power do you have to relive. You have to once again become a child. I will dismantle your wrong programming. I will remove all your garbages. I will work for you to live a normal life, and it is not my duty. It is my availability and gift to you. If you really love yourself, if you have any percentage of love left for yourself, you will take some actions. Don't do this mistake. If you don't take any action right now, this life is gone. And from the energetic perspective, all this has happened due to the energetic blockages of the trauma that you have experienced in this lives, and from the subtle body aspect, from multiple lives. Only I know where your Kundalini is, how to diagnose Kundalini, how to move Kundalini, how to change Kundalini, how to change the response of your brain and nervous system towards life. You need to know that you have to throw away all that you know so far. You have to get to the roots of the problem and don't work only on the cause. You are working on the symptoms. Nothing will happen if you work on the symptoms. If you work on the root cause behind it, then it is the hold that your nervous system has taken. And I know there are millions of neural pathways that needs to be changed in you to change this response of the nervous system to feel safe, to feel loved, to feel hopeful. So you have lost all the hopes. So this is the last hope, and hope this video reaches you in the right spirit and you take the first action of your life is to contacting my team and ask for what should be the process for you to get healed. So don't delay. Life is going away in front of you and you're unable to do anything. It is your life. It is your calling. Don't waste in the egoic game. Don't waste in distrust anymore. So much of distrust, so much of egoic game. Some of the patients think that they can become the guru. They can become like me. How can it be possible? It is your individual journey. You have so much of super ego that you feel that all this you can do. Some of the students, after getting the energetic transmission and energy work, they start doing some experiments on their own to move their kundalini to the sushumna. You have no idea what kind of stupidity you are lost in. So come out of all the stupidity and take some real actions for life. In some of your cases, it could be extreme level of schizophrenia. In other cases, it could be mild level. But the root cause of all of this, the summary, the crux of all of this is your brain and nervous system doesn't work. You have neurosis symptoms, and it may be due to multiple sclerosis in you, Alzheimer's symptoms, dementia symptoms, bipolar symptoms, borderline personality disorder, split personality disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, leading to fibromyalgia where your total system is collapsed, chronic fatigue syndrome, and so many other IBS, irritable bowel syndromes. Ultimately, you are in distorted and disintegrated position. Only I can work on you, to strengthen your electromagnetic field, to strengthen your nervous system and brain, because I am the #1 brain and nervous system specialist in the world, and no one else can do anything for you. All this is for this video. I will share some of the clips of a real energy work to heal neurosis, the trauma release, or you can call in a certain way, the blockages are not released, and all the schizophrenic entities that reside in that patient due to the overconsumption of everything was releasing out in the session, and that you could be able to see. All right, so just awaken from your dream state and get some real life practical insights into your life. All that's for now. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you. Feel it powerfully. You're living. Get out. Get out. Has it gone? Or still there? Are you still there? Still there? Get out from all body parts. Do you feel relaxed now?
More.
If you feel any remnants of it, then release it again. Say you are going out.
I'm going out.
How many are you here?
1,000.
And what are you doing? Fucking her? Thinking? All in the head? You don't want let her free? How many birds, demons are here? You have hijacked the brain, not letting her live life. I will kill you. It's okay. It's okay. Relax now. Relax. Relax. Enough. 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 Enough for today.
Okay.
Enough for today. Enough for today. Relax. Good work. Good work. Good. Just close your mouth and do Kunda breathing. Everything will be all right. Okay? You're safe? Good? Yes. If you feel like crying, you can cry. Don't take out sound, you can open your mouth. You can open your mouth, but don't take out sound. It is night time here. I won't be able to heal you. Yes. Relax now. It is all trauma releasing from your body. So relax. Close your mouth. Relax. I will heal you more. Release. Release, release. Let the demons go.
This can I play?
Release, release. Life, the more you increase the intensity of life in you, the dead energies, the demons in you will go out. So allow it to happen. Yes. If you want to turn around, you can turn around. Better? Yes, yes. Release. Allow. Yes, it's Kundalini unblocking your demonic energies. So allow it to happen. Yes, allow. Don't resist. Let it go. Get out. Get out, get out, get out. Mm. Close your eyes. It's okay. Don't resist. I'm clearing your blockages. Allow. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. They've gone. They've gone. They've gone. Relax. 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 Just try to exhale longer now from your mouth. Relax. Now do Kund breathing. You can sit in, sleep in better position. Come up. Yes. Hit the pillow. 1 second. Good. You can go, get up. Yes, correct. Very good. Enjoy now. Go into Kunda breathing state. You don't need to get up now. Whenever you feel, you can eat whatever you want, and we'll meet later.